In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into ActiveCampaign. Whether you're brand new to the platform or you just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the entire login process step by step, and I'll also share a few tips to make things smoother and avoid common issues. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top of your screen, type in activecampaign.com and press Enter. This will take you to the official ActiveCampaign website. Before moving on, it's always a good habit to double-check the web address so you know you're on the legitimate site and not a lookalike. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that allows you to log in. Depending on their current layout, you'll usually see a login button near the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. This will bring you to a screen where ActiveCampaign asks for your account details. The first thing you'll see is a field where you need to enter your account name. This is sometimes referred to as your account URL or workspace name. It's the unique identifier for your specific ActiveCampaign account. Type your account name carefully into the field. If you're not sure what your account name is, check any welcome emails you received when you first signed up, or ask the person on your team who set up the account. Getting this right is important because ActiveCampaign uses it to direct you to the correct login page. After you've entered your account name, click the login button on that screen. ActiveCampaign will use the account name you provided to load the dedicated login page for that account. On this next page, you'll see fields for your email address and your password. In the email field, type the email address that's associated with your ActiveCampaign user account. Make sure you use the same email that was used when your account or user profile was created. In the password field, enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and any special characters. If you ever forget your password, you can use the Forgot Password link on this page to reset it. But for now, once both your email and password are entered, click the Login button again. After a moment, you should be logged in and taken directly into your ActiveCampaign dashboard, ready to start working on your campaigns, automations, and contacts.